One component underneath the hood of a vehicle can damage an AC compressor, a power steering pump, and an alternator. And it may surprise you because when this component wears out, well, it can cause damage to the bearings in the nose of these three components. What is it? It's actually a worn out belt tensioner. You may think that a belt tensioner over time loses tension, but in reality, it actually increases because inside of this tensioner is a dampening element that controls the movement of the arm and the amount of tension. So when this thing wears out, the peak tension increases. When the peak tension increases, well, it causes stress to the bearings in the alternator, power steering pump, or AC compressor clutch. When this happens, well, the uneven motion and the forces on the side pushing on the shaft can damage the bearing. So when you're replacing a belt on a vehicle, it is crucial that you address the tensioner because these are wear items. Over time, that dampening element will wear down and it can no longer control the movement of the arm and the tension on the belt. So it's key that this is addressed when the belt is changed. This may be according to the manufacturer's interval, or you may do an inspection and notice a high degree of movement in the belt called flutter. Or you may have had a failure in an alternator, power steering pump, or even the AC compressor. So it's critical that you inspect the tensioner in the belt before sending the vehicle out of your shop.